Earlier this week, CalPERG, the student interest group on campus, had their big kickoff meeting to start off the year introducing all the new events coming up. I was able to get an interview with Michael Reagan, head of the What's Your Plan campaign.
CalPERG is the California Public Interest Research Group. We are a statewide student-run organization. We work basically to combine the time and idealism and the effort of young people on college campuses to make a big difference on our social problems with a combination of also professional resources. So CalPERG deals with a whole umbrella of issues. We work to protect our environment, to fight and eradicate poverty, to protect our oceans. We also work a lot on student rights, to lower textbook prices, to make sure students don't graduate with so much debt, get the youth to vote more, and get politicians to pay attention to our issues. So essentially, we work on public interest issues, things that almost everyone agrees upon, but it takes that little extra push to make it happen.
The CalPERG chapter at UC Davis is one of the largest in the nation, currently holding over 60 interns. They are campaigning for plans such as democracy, cheaper textbooks, hunger and homelessness awareness, as well as global climate challenge. They are working with various organizations to build awareness throughout campus.
Hi everyone, my name is Monica and I'm the Campus Climate Challenge Coordinator. Everyone here knows the global warming is a huge problem. If temperatures and sea levels continue to rise, there will be devastating effects, not only to hundreds of coastline, but also endangering millions of human lives. We have the technology needed in order to meet that goal and to solve this problem. We can already get cars that go 100 miles to the gallon, and we can get most or all of our energy from wind or solar resources. This is fantastic, but unfortunately politicians don't know that this is a resource that they can use. So we need to show them that it is possible here at UC Davis. And so what we're doing is that we are educating students how they can contribute to the sustainability effort. We have 1,500 CFL energy-saving light bulbs that we are going to be handing out that were donated to us from PG&E in order to save energy from students.
CalPERG will be holding many more events for the students throughout campus. Look out for them at the Quad. This is Jessie Kim with AGTV.